Yeah, hello YouTube. Another video here is an Acer Chrome. Yeah, Acer Chromebook 514. Chromebook, these are the type of processors we talked about the other day, and we said these are processors that cannot do much because actually even the operating system is not that big. So what is happening in this one is that it's not taking any power even after putting the Type-C charger. And so I want us to get some screws, which Allen key is fit for this one. You don't want another key. This one looks fine, but if I'm not careful it could jump. Okay, let me work with this one. Yeah, Chromebook cannot do much. Chromebook cannot do much. Okay, you can't tell me that you want to take a Chromebook laptop and you want to do graphic and design with that laptop with a Chromebook processor. Chromebook itself cannot even take a normal Windows operating system, Windows 10. You have to do a lot of drama here, a lot of magic for it to work on a Windows 10. So this one is sliding, so I have to take a bigger Allen key here. I don't know whether I have one. Is this one going to, yeah, or maybe this is even the, I think this is even the Allen key that is supposed to be here. The other one just worked because of the respect they have for me. Hello. So Chromebook with graphics and design, forget. Chromebook with some architectural work, ArchiCAD and the Lumion and so forth, forget. Chromebook and OBS Studio, struggle. You kill it, you struggle it to death. Okay. It's out, huh? Okay, just a minute. I talked to one of my ninja here in a few. See, the thing doesn't even have an SSD. And now this one also wants to become an issue now. This motherboard doesn't even have an SSD. So the Chrome OS is supposed to be installed in a certain chip in this motherboard. See now, look at the heatsink. This is where the heatsink is. And this is a machine here. What are you expecting with this one? What are you expecting with this one? So do we even have the current resistor? You know, the first and the second MOSFET. Let me come with the charger here at Type-C. And very soon I need to have a meter for, you see, I'm getting some light here, but I think the machine cannot turn on without the rest of the parts here. You can see this light blinking here. See this light here? This one here. Or maybe it was an issue of just to reset the, so let me do this. What if I come here with I take these ones in, and remember this is a very delicate motherboard. Just a little cough and it's gone. A little cough and it's a dead motherboard. So let me see this time now. Maybe the flexes on the other side are supposed to do something. Just having a blink, nothing else. So a Chromebook without a charger, sometimes I know it's not possible. So let me come in the charger so that Chromebook can Okay, a bit too. And so guys, so we are still working on this machine here. Yeah, and there's something I want you to see. Yeah, you know, sometimes I want to figure. So I've tried to check on few things, and there's something I want you to know. You see, this flex cable is the screen connector. When this screen connector is out, the machine is turning on. For instance, let's see this together. You'd ask me, how did you know that the laptop is turning on? And I'll show you right now how I knew the laptop is turning on. Yeah, so you see, I pressed the power button. I don't know when you can check the. You see, I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. I want to turn on the laptop so that you see. You can see, you see here, this is the processor. It's getting hot. Also, this part is getting hot. And what is here? Yeah, again, this is the processor. Yeah, so this machine is turning on. And you know why I know the machine is on? Okay, let me show you why I know the machine is on. Let me return this so that I may not drop it. You can see this light here. The blue light. You see the blue light? Yeah, and also is on because, yeah, check here. I don't know whether the capsule, this one does not have a working caps lock. You check, I don't know whether they still on it, has gone out. Where is that blue? Oh, so it's out. Let me turn it on again. Okay, this side. Yeah, so the blue light is here, you can see. I want to show you with a keyboard. You see? The num lock also got so, but now after that, I want you to see something. I want you to see this. Let me turn it off. So the blue light goes out. That's the only time you can say the machine is off. Yeah, so the blue light is out. Now, let me connect the screen here. So the screen is connected. And now let's come on again. Let's see whether actually we're going to get the blue light. I check here, you see whether you're going to get the blue light. Oh, the blue light is on. Then we should have something on the screen. Are we going to have something on the screen? Because I've returned the screen. And the screen is back to normal. Oh, is the connector? Wow, the connector is too hot. Oh my God, check here. Check inside. Yeah, the display is showing from inside. Oh, this is not good now. Okay. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. I don't know whether you can see the writings. Okay. I think my torch is just making things worse. I don't know whether you see? There's some writings here. You see these writings? Network something. So I think there's something to do with the screen. And now let's rush there. And switch off please, so that we can go directly to the screen. So yeah, so let's work on the screen. Let me open the screen first. Yeah, so I've worked on the screen. I think it's a bit better so that you can see what I'm saying. See? What's up with my camera? Now it's not even focusing. You see? Is what I'm saying. So I'm hoping this is just a connector issue. Maybe network not available. I'm just hoping this is just a connector issue because if it's not just a connector issue, this is going to cost customers some money. So let me just go directly. Let me first of all disconnect the battery. Very important. I turn it off. Yeah, on matter screen, never joke with the battery or any form of power on that screen. Try to disconnect them all before you tamper with the screen. Huh? Very, very important. Okay, so I want to just clean the connector a bit and try to take it back and see how this is going to work. Yeah, also be very careful around this area so that you might not make the problem worse than it already is. Yeah, we did this video last time and we talked that when you get a laptop from the customer, oh, things are not very nice here. You know what? From a distance, actually the connector is not even coming out because it's boiling. Yeah, sorry, I had to deal with the customer. So things are not quite good here. You know why? I don't even know whether this screen... Oh, it's out, it's out. It's out, but now... Oh my, oh my. I don't know whether I'll be in a position to sort this one out. Because... I'm not happy. Things are not as I thought. Yeah, so my microscope, you'll see a bit of very dark scene. The scene is dark because the lid is still on. Every time I close the job, I always put in the lid for my microscope. So let's try to check this one, and the light is too high because of the connector here. So we need to... Now, hey, I don't know how to go about this. Maybe I'll have to go to an extent of having to change the screen. You see this one? The 19 volts. Something boiled here. It's a plastic. Maybe I won't have to do much. I'm just hoping. So enough here. Let me attend to some porcupine here. Yeah, so you know this means what? This means that maybe this connector, we might not be in a position to use it again. So let's try to look for how is the other part looking. I don't know whether you'll be able to reach this part. Oh, this one is... How are you going to get this one? Okay, let me try to... I don't know whether you're going to view it. Yeah, here we can view it comfortably. Check this area here. See this one, and this is the 19 volts power rail on this. These are the lines, power lines for the 19 volts. Oh, they don't look good. And that's why the screen connector was getting very hot. Remember, I touched it and I was getting a bit higher temperatures than normal, than usual. Oh, come on. Now. After this, now, what do we do? No, that now calls for us to change the screen connector. You have checked other videos of mine and you have seen how the screen connectors are changed. I've changed several screen connectors on my YouTube channel. Now, even if I changed the screen connector, let's say that I was able to change the screen connector, I still would change this one. Maybe these two lines would maybe get in and give us a display. Can I try? Are you sure I'm not risking this? Am I not risking this? Okay, let me see. Let me take that risk and see whether this one is going to work out for us. Hey. Are you going to have a brightness? Are you going to have some brightness? That's what you're looking forward to. Okay, you try with the battery. Don't do the charger. The charger has got higher voltages and you might find yourself even causing bigger messes. Yeah, I'm interested to see this part as I put on the machine. What will happen to this area here? So so is there a green light? Is the green light on? Oh no, maybe the machine is even now detecting a more short than before. Okay, what if I was to remove this part of the screen? Try to put it on. Okay, I'm already pressing the power button. Or maybe the charger is out. Okay, let me come with some charger. See if maybe it's the charge which went out. Okay, yeah, so it's on. Is it turning on? I need the green light. Yeah, the green light, the blue light that is on. Yeah, this motherboard is on, but you know what? Because it's charging, Okay, why is it not turning off? Aren't I pressing the power button? Yeah, I'm checking this blue light and it's out. Let me now try this time. I don't want to test with the charger because you know charger has got very high voltages, and that one might. Okay, the blue light is on. So what is going to happen to this screen? Are we going to have a picture or an image, a display? Okay, we are still having display from inside. Display from inside is happening. And then you know what? We don't have a shortcut here. We must replace this screen connector cable and the screen connector too for us to have a display. So yeah, I'll first of all have to fetch for those ones before I even come. See, we are still having you can see some writings here. See these writings here. So we still don't have the backlight because of the same problem. Yeah, so let's meet when I have those. So guys, keep liking, sharing and subscribing. Yeah, let's meet in the next video, or after maybe when I get this one. I know I might not get them today, but I'll come to complete this video. But at least we have known where the problem is. So that's it for today. Bye.